Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to change your Spotify subscriptions plan. If you want to change your Spotify plan like from premium, individual to duo, family or student, here's how. First of all, go ahead and open your Google and then search for spotify.com. Next, go ahead and click on the view all plans option, and now scroll up and you can choose whichever plan you want. Here you'll see available options included duo, family or student. Pick one of that fits your needs and click get started. Now enter your payment details if required, then confirm your plan will update any instantly or next ring date. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Spotify subscription plan. I hope this video helped you change your Spotify subscription plan. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.